Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, I'm going to talk about today's biggest gainer stock, Portola Pharmaceutical. So, if this is your first time to Rich Side Insider, make sure you subscribe our channel. We talk about finance, business, real estate, stock investment, so many different ways to make money. So, if you don't want to miss any of the ways to make more money, to succeed, make sure you subscribe and you turn on the bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. So today let's talk about the stocks for today. Okay, today is this is a stock, Portola Pharmaceutical. It jumped more than twice. Do you know why? Look at this. 5 days, the stock is pretty much flat, and it jumped. So if you see the stock, usually 1 day chart, the stock is flat. It doesn't move. It's usually mostly because some company acquire this company at this stock price. So that's why during the day you don't see any fluctuation. Usually the stock, normal situation, the stock's gonna fluctuate up and down, up and down. You see this is a flat, so another company must be acquiring this company. Look at the news. Cool. That's why here look at this. Announced a deal to be acquired by Alexion Pharmaceutical in a deal that values Portola at about 1.4 billion. So this is not a very big company. This is a medium-sized company. 1.4 billion. It's a biotech companies. Uh, so basically, they are offering at $18 each. $18. So that's why the stock price doesn't fluctuate. It's just almost flat for the day. So basically, this is their deal. They are acquiring 250 million cash on balance sheet, now debt. Yep, with a deal with cash on hand. So basically, this company is acquiring that company, and that company's stock value jump, but this company stock value slipped. So it could be a different reason. Shareholders of Alexion may be thinking that this is not a good deal, and definitely these shareholders of this company are the winners because their stock price doubled twice. But if you look at a 1 month chart, uh, a 6 month, the stock price doesn't move. It even dropped right here from $24, drop right here. Year to date, look at it. 1 year, yeah, the stock is downtrending. 5 years, it just go up and go down. So if you look at the 52-week low, it's $5.31. 52 weeks high is $36.98. That's a big difference. So this stock is good for trading, but if you are thinking about retirement, yeah, you don't want your money to fluctuate up and down. You don't want to touch it. And personally, if I'm thinking about investing long term, I will not touch this stock because it's really, I mean, it doesn't have a clear trend of going up. It just go up and it just go down again. It just go up and go down. And this is lower than this one. And go up, and this is even lower than this one. So basically this is a downtrend. Downtrend is start. If you're lucky, you're gonna make money. If I'm trading, yeah, I'm just gonna like this stock because it's fluctuate a lot, volatile, it's very volatile. Biotechnology companies are known to be really risky because they need to do research, develops, and also commercialize the drugs. So basically, they need to go to so many different stages, and uh, once they find a viable drugs, that they need to go through the different trials, different phases. They need to get approval from FDA. So what if FDA doesn't approve, and they cannot commercialize the drug? Let's say FDA can approve it. They need to get patent. So patents could last for 10 years, 30 years, or 50 years. whatever, so that the other drug companies cannot copy their formula and create their own generic drugs. So that's another risk. If what if they couldn't get the payback for long term? That all the investment they made is gonna be down the drain after a few years. If they could only get for 3 years, 5 years, it might not even be profitable at all. Uh, so so there are so many different components, different factors that you need to think about if you are investing in the technology, biotechnology company. So this company is on Nasdaq. So that's how you see Nasdaq is a technological exchange, stock exchange. It's in South San Francisco, founded in 2003, and employees only 324 employees. So it's a risky business, but if you really like the industry, you just study it, you just become expert and know about it, and you diversify if you just want to reduce the risk. Cool, yeah, that's about it. If you are think about this stock's not gonna move, uh, for the until the deal is over, because nobody wants to sell their share for less than $18. But it's not a done deal yet. There could be changes in case if the other company back out of the offer. Then this stock's gonna go down. Like everybody's trying to be the first one to get out of this stock. Because look at it, it's $7. It's more than twice overnight. And I would not invest in a company just hoping that somebody gonna take over, somebody's gonna buy in future. I mean, it's very less chance to get rich in that way. Getting rich, if you want to get rich in stock markets, it's a regular investing. Putting money regular every month is gonna make you richer than any other investing strategies. Uh, so the invest in stock that pays you dividends. So if you make 7% consistently, your money is gonna double much faster, and 10% is gonna be much faster for that. So yes, make sure you subscribe, share this video, and hit the like button. That's gonna help this channel a lot. That means a lot to me. And I have a course coming up, how to get your dream job in 30 days. If you want to sign up, the link is gonna be below above. So if you want to make more money, want to get a dream job in 30 days, go ahead and sign up for a course. Thank you for watching. So I'm gonna give you rewards. There will be free stars below. So make sure you open the links. There are 2 links. Get a free stars. Made a deposit for $100 to get a stock worth up to $1,400. So if you want to become a realtor, the link's gonna be down there. The best credit cards also down there. If you're paying more than $15 for yourself, or you're paying too much, this Hollywood actors Ryan Reynolds, he also uses this plan, unlimited talking, testing, and data. So if you are thinking about traveling, the travel credit gonna be down there. Any questions? Just message me here, and leave your voicemail and reach out insider. And so make sure you sign up for a course, how to get your dream job in 30 days. I'm also gonna have a stock investing course. I'm gonna teach you how to buy gold, precious metals, how to buy stocks, everything about ETF, mutual funds, 401k, simple IRA, blah blah blah, and also how you can keep all your profits from the stocks without having to pay tax. And I'm gonna teach you how to use profits or stock to buy your first home. So make sure you subscribe, share, write down what you learned from this video. Are you going to buy that stock, Portola, or do you like biotechnology stock? Which stocks do you like? Make sure you comment down below and subscribe and see first. Thank you for watching. So I will see you in the next video.